In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create waterfall charts in Excel. A waterfall chart is a fantastic way to visualize how individual positive and negative values contribute to a running total. It's perfect for showing things like how different departments affect profit, how monthly changes roll up to a year-end result, or how costs and savings stack up to a final outcome. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can build one confidently in just a moment. Start with your data already laid out in a worksheet. You'll typically have a column of categories, such as months or line items, and a column of corresponding values. Positive numbers will move the total up. Negative numbers will bring it down. It helps if the data is in a clean, contiguous block with no completely empty rows or columns inside it. If you have a header row, keep it right above the numbers so Excel can recognize labels. Quick tip: make sure your values are stored as numbers, not text. If they're left aligned or show little green triangles, you might need to convert them to numbers before continuing. Now highlight the data you want in the chart. Click and drag to include the category labels and the values. Double-check that your selection covers exactly what you want to plot. No extra blank columns, no partial labels. If you're visualizing a flow over time or through stages, keep the order top to bottom the way you want it to appear left to right in the chart. With your data selected, go to the Insert tab on the Excel ribbon at the top of the screen. This is the central place for adding visuals and other elements to your workbook. You should see the chart options grouped together here. Next, click the Waterfall Chart option. In many versions of Excel, it appears within the Charts group and may be labeled Waterfall, or grouped under Waterfall or Stock. Choose the Standard Waterfall option. Excel will immediately generate a waterfall chart based on your selection and place it on the sheet. You'll see colored columns showing increases and decreases, a horizontal axis reflecting your categories, and a vertical axis showing the running amount. Positive contributions rise, negative ones fall, and each step builds on the last, so you can tell exactly how you got from the start to the finish. If something doesn't look right, the most common issue is the initial selection. Make sure you included your category labels and all the relevant values, that there are no stray blanks in the middle of your data, and that negatives really are negative. Once the chart appears, you can review it at a glance and you're done. The waterfall chart is created.